Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over.
As such, Christ was not the man Jesus of Nazareth. Christ, to a very large extent, is different from the man Jesus of Nazareth. At baptism, Christ took over the dense body and the vital body of Jesus of Nazareth for his mission on earth. Jesus of Nazareth was the purest among humanity to receive this glory, to make his dense body, vital body available for the Christ to use. Thus, he became Jesus Christ, a compound name. For all his life, Jesus worked on himself. He worked on himself, prepared himself, and willingly gave his body to the Christ to save the planet and humanity. That is the purpose for which Christ came. His inhabiting the body of Jesus of Nazareth for 3 years was totally unique in the annals of the world. It has never happened. That was the first and only time. It enabled humanity to overcome the physical world, transmute this physical body, and at the end, to conquer death. We are in the process. And one of the requirements is to build the soul body.